beautiful. We've got it all for you to match right back to that set in the Melamine serving tray. 16 by 12 on this set. This is beautiful to serve on, to put your appetizers on it, or do like this, which this is, talk about high, like elegant, like, hi, welcome to my home. Would you like some lemonade?
It's like a magazine, right? Yes.
That's like Martha Stewart style.
Yes.
Right? Like this is how she would serve lemonade to her guests.
That's exactly right.
On a beautiful Melamine tray.
Right.
So now we have this for you at a clearance sale price of $17.08.
How gorgeous that is.
It is so, so pretty.
Helper handles on the side that are recessed. It's melamine, like we talked about, it's durable. If it drops, no problem. But we all need platters, right? These coordinate back to what you just picked up if you picked up the melamine. And if not, just a great platter for $17
yes.
is amazing right there. But look what we can hold here. This is the Jimmy the Baker cinnamon rolls.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 9 right there. Now you know that we could probably even fit a few more on here.
Yep. Yep.
Look how stunning that is. Even things like this.
Look at that.
Look how gorgeous this is.
Chicken
wings, and look at that. We counted. We had over this probably is like 50. Over 50 chicken wings right there. Isn't that amazing?
Yes, it is.
Seriously.
Yes, it is. And then my beautiful refreshment platter here.
Yes.
And then this is so nice.
Hot dogs, hamburgers, steaks, whatever it is, and the colors are fabulous.
All of it. So now we have it for you in the yellow. Here we go. We have the confetti. Oh, how pretty. This is like all over. This is like blown up. It's oversized. And wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Patriotic.
I love that. And that will go with the blue melamine too, right? If you picked up the dinnerware, the patriotic. So like if you're thinking, like look how pretty that looks.
It all matches back perfectly. We also have the blue on QVC.com. There's the blue set. Well, the blue tray. There's the yellow really quick again. There's the patriotic. There's the confetti. And we still have garden?
Oh.
All right. So if anybody picked up the garden in the melamine plates earlier that sold out,
for sure,
you can get the serving tray in the garden. Look how nice that has the hummingbird and the ladybugs and the dragonfly.
Look at that. And when we talk about capacity of this tray, right? Look at this. We have about 10 hot dogs. We have quite a few hamburgers on here. This is what we're talking about.
Nice.
The fact that it can hold enough for a crowd right there.
Nice.
But you know what I always say? When you see something that coordinates a tray with dinnerware or something like that, it's like earrings with a dress, get it. Because you always regret it when you don't,
Absolutely.
right?
You always regret it when you don't. And then when you have this whole entire set, that whether you use the dinnerware set or not, you always have this great tray that, again, it's this shatterproof, it's durable,
yes.
It's beautiful, it's lightweight, so you can really, really put a million things on top of it, and it's gonna be lightweight to begin with.
Wait till you see this, what we have over here.
16 by 12. That is what I was waiting to see, a charcuterie.
Charcuterie.
Beautiful prosciutto and salami and cheese. Now you can do that all on this one tray. So you could use this tray for a million different things.
Yes, and I'm holding it with one hand. I just am doing that purposely so you can see how lightweight it is, right?
Right.
The only thing you're carrying is the food that's on it. So there are helper handles on the side, just like all Temp-tations. Look what Rosina's holding over there.
Like this. Hi. Would you like a hamburger or a hot dog? Take it from my beautiful tray. And now I'm not just like walking around with a plate or with like just a random like what are they called? Those like silver dishes that the aluminum thing. Now you look all put together and so pretty, and you get to enjoy, and everybody's like, oh, how cute. That's it. It's all about cute, but also being versatile, getting something home that you're going to use for a million different things. But this one, because it's melamine, is really, really special, and it's also top rack dishwasher safe.
I love this. And listen to it. This is sturdy. It's durable. It has a beautiful white background where the pattern just pops off. Look how easily I can hold it. This will be beautiful decor in your home. If you want to put it on a plate stand and just leave it out, pick up a few if you can, because corn on the cob, hot dogs, hamburgers, like caprese salad, all that stuff, right?
$17.08. We're saving over $6. This is clearance sale price. It's the first day presented. It's going to be at this price only for a limited time, and then it's going to go back up. It's on clearance to begin with because we don't have a lot left.
Yep.
But then for a little while, QVC goes, I'm gonna throw you another little bone and we're gonna put it on clearance sale. But then you're like, oh, you know how many times I'm like, oh, clearance sale, great. And then I go back and it went back up to the regular clearance price, and that just like kind of irks me because I like to get my best deal ever. And this is the best deal ever for something that you're gonna use so much in the house.
Yes.
And you're right. When you're not using it, to have it displayed,
Like to have it just like even
because
just like, look how pretty
the
that
colors
looks.
are just fabulous, and that's what Temp-tations is all about.
Look how pretty. Yeah.
So again, I'll just do them all on QVC.com. So here's your confetti blue. I'm sorry, your old world blue. This is confetti. This is the garden.
Yes.
We also have patriotic and the yellow. Do we have anything else? Nope, that is it for right now. Clearance sale price of 5 easy payments of $342. Lisa
I'm pouring us
Lasorte.
an end of the drink, end of the
you.
show mocktail.
Thank you so much.
So great to spend time with you.
Mwah.
Salute to
I
you.
love hanging out with you. All right, everyone, love hanging out with all of you at home as well. Have a beautiful Saturday. But stay tuned because Evie Rider is coming up right now.
Ooh.
So, all right,
Cheers,
let's
my
go.
friend.